Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a sweet using roasted bengal gram. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixie jar, add half cup of roasted bengal gram, 1 elachi and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Grind it to a very fine powder. Now sieve the powder and add it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it well with a spoon. When the ghee is well spread, go ahead and knead with your hands until it comes as a single lump. Now everything has combined well, so place it on top of a butter paper and spread it using a rolling pin. Don't make it too thin, make sure it's 1 centimeter thick sheet. Now go ahead and cut it using a cookie cutter. You can go with any shape of your choice. Today I'm going with circle. Remove off the extras and it's now ready to enjoy. A very easy and delicious sweet recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.